Here I have Amazon Fire 7, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So first let's open settings, then go to the accessibility section, then go to the voice view screen reader. Here you can enable this feature, and after that Talkback will be enabled.
Basic gestures lesson. Welcome to the voice view tutorial. When voice view is turned on, you can touch the screen to learn what's under your finger.
I will explain you really quickly. Like when you have this feature turned on, you can only perform any actions on your tablet by firstly selecting it and then double tapping it. Like when you select it, screen reader reads what you selected, because this feature is made primarily for people like who are blind or have some other vision problems. So if you want to disable this feature, for example, you just select this and then double tap. Then once again continue, double tap. And that's how you can disable this feature. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.